Conversation in present continuous tense. What are you doing this weekend?
I am going hiking with some friends.
Who are you talking to on the phone right now?
I am chatting with my sister.
Why are you looking so happy today?
I am planning a surprise party for my best friend.
Where are you going on your next vacation?
I am traveling to Europe next month.
What are you studying at the moment?
I am learning to play the guitar.
Who are you meeting for dinner tonight?
I am having dinner with my colleagues from work.
Why are you wearing a suit today?
I am attending a fancy dinner party this evening.
Where are you applying for jobs right now?
I am sending out job applications to various companies.
What are you cooking for dinner?
I am making pasta with homemade sauce.
Who are you waiting for at the coffee shop?
I am meeting my friend for a quick catch-up.
Why are you wearing running shoes?
I am training for a marathon in the coming months.
What are you watching on TV these days?
I am binge-watching a new series on Netflix.
Who are you texting so enthusiastically?
I am messaging my best friend about our upcoming trip.
Why are you listening to such loud music?
I am getting pumped up for my workout at the gym.
Where are you thinking of moving to in the future?
I am considering relocating to a new city for a fresh start. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel.